Gone are the days of regular old school thermostats. Now enter your smart thermostats. The beauty of these smart thermostats is not only can you adjust them anywhere, you can schedule them to specific temperatures, but they can also alert you indirectly to problems with your AC system, which a regular old school thermostat cannot do. So if the system is running, or if it can't receive, it can't get to its desired temperature, or if the system is offline, that can all alert you to indirectly can alert you to the fact that there might be something going on with your AC system. So definitely recommend a smart thermostat.